Three different strategies to find direction only and only using VWAP. Number one, using previous day's VWAP. Number two, using open location or open action of price. Number three, VWAP crossover. We'll start one by one. I believe everyone are having knowledge about VWAP. My goal in this video to make sure by the end of this video you will learn three different strategies to find direction only using VWAP. No other indicator, no support resistance, nothing. So let's get started. First, let's start with previous day's VWAP. Just check the chart in front of me, in front of your screen. You could see what's happening in the first few minutes of the market. Price trying to reject from the previous day's VWAP instantly with an bearish rejection candle formation. This is my first hint. This is my first start. Instant rejection from previous day's high. This is my first start for my bearish direction. Clear hint of bearish direction. So from here, what I'll be doing? Simple rule, price trying to reject from previous day's VWAP with a clear bearish candle formation. That means my first number one hint. Always understand we need to grab hint from the chart to find direction to trade according to the direction. First hint is price rejecting from previous days VWAP. Second hint is after the rejection, price is steadily giving a bearish close. Third hint, where we are getting a bearish close, clearly below current day's VWAP. So all this hint is giving me a clue of bearishness. So straight away my direction become bearishness. Now the question is, till when I am bearish? So till the eye of this candle is not getting crossed. My focus is to continue bearish in checking. Now what is the data points I need to check when price is trying to go down? What are all the data points I'll be checking? Whether the previous support is getting cleared easily or not. So Yampe, what are all the previous support we have is more important. Here I have 2 days ka low, previous day's low, previous trading session low. 2 days low is there. So now I want price easily to cross and give a close below it. Then I can say that first support level or first reference level from which bulls try to came. In this session, bears are easily crossing them. This is my first hint which I'll be getting. If easily crossing and giving a cross, then I need to search for further reference level. If I just go back and search for further reference level, what I have few reference level. Just notice this price action here. One, this area, and next this one. Why I'm selecting these reference level, you need to understand it very clearly. So these are the two areas from which bulls reversed quickly up. Bulls reversed quickly up. So I am giving priority to it. So now we'll go back to this. So we have the downside area Jampe, bulls reversed faster. Now let's see what is the price action developing. That is more important to understand candle by candle for better understanding. As the price, now focus on the candle, as the price trying to move up, move down. Very important for me, just notice practically price smoothly taking resistance and coming down. Next candle, bearish candle closing below the level. So I am just relaxed waiting to see what is the price action developing. Very important, my focus is minimum 1 is to 2, or if candle, bearish candle failing to close below the reference level from which bulls dominated, that is my exit scenario. Very simple and straightforward price scenario which I am trying to follow here. Just focus on the candle. What is happening when the candles are closing more red candle, bearish candle formations trying to come? Just notice this area jump where the bulls candle came in. Eye of the candle is not crossed. Price gave a green bullish candle, but eye of the candle itself is not crossing, means can you understand what's happening? Same happened here. Just notice this candle eye not crossed. Before clearly crossing candle eye, before clearly trading above the candle eye, price is ready to break the candle low. Now here what we need to understand, we need to understand the speed of the market. Comment your answers in the chat box. What is the speed of this market? Slow market or fast market? Pause the video here and comment your answers in the comment section and rewatch, play the video again, because I'll gonna answer it. This is getting faster. Why faster? Whenever price is trying to come down, in this case all the levels are easily being crossed. Now what are all these line marked? From which bulls try to reverse faster the price towards upside. Now it is easily crossing. That is where when it is easily crossing, the direction becomes or stays more bearish. Vice versa for the bullish scenario. Here whenever Yampe bullish candle is forming, not even the eye is crossing. When price is struggling to cross even the eye of a green candle, when actual direction is down, that means bears are more stronger. Very important point. If you are confused, rewind the video of last 20 seconds and watch it again. Very important point which need to be given priority. Now focus on the candle back. What's happening? Price again trying to move up. Just notice the scenario here. Again trying to move up. Again a green candle formation, but ultimately Yampe my 1 is to 2 risk reward is tagged. Now I have two options. I can come out of this at 1 is to 2 ka risk reward. Aram se I'm getting it. Or else I can do one more thing. Because the price momentum is fastly coming down, I can wait to see whether this bullish candle price can it trade minimum 1 or 2 minutes above the eye of the bullish candle. If it is not able to trade, what will happen? Price is fastly trying to give a downside move. If I is not getting accepted, price will further drag back down. This is the only condition for a fast moving market. Slow moving market, 1 is to 2 risk reward triggered, aram se happy to come out. Fast moving market, sometimes we have to take this decision to make sure to get additional reward in a fast moving market. Now notice here, price is 1 is to 2 triggered, but price 1 minute more stable here. So this is where I'll be taking my exit. Now what if price straight away came down? I could have made more benefit. What I am doing is risking small portion of profit to increase my profit. यहाँ पे I'm risking a small portion of my profit to increase my profit in the fast moving direction. Here it is downside. Sometimes these small decisions often reward us more profits. This is possible to be done only when the price is moving fastly towards downside and we are getting decent profit running on this particular opportunity. Now let's move on to the second type, VWAP crossover. To understand the second type in finding direction, this is I'm focusing more on a intraday 5-minute time frame chart because VWAP works more better, more clear on intraday basis. Now just try to focus on the candle formations which is developing. What is happening? This is where very important to understand the price behavior around VWAP. So probably in the last example, price was easily rejecting from VWAP. Current example, it is very different. What is happening? Previous example, price was rejecting previous day's VWAP. In current example, price is trading above the previous day's VWAP. The yellow color line is the previous day's VWAP. Price is trading above the previous day's VWAP, but here the example is price candles are overlapping the VWAP. Whenever try to understand one thing, whenever a candles are overlapping VWAP more than 20 minutes on a 5-minute time frame or more than 4 candle on a 5-minute time frame, if price is overlapping like this in this current example, that means market is giving us an information to wait for some clue to be in favor of you and then start trying to plan or find direction. In this video, we are using only VWAP, no other reference level, no other indicators to find. VWAP is only being used in finding direction. Just focus on the candles which is trying to develop here. Now, very important, what's happening? Why I'm marking this reference one? Why I'm marking this level here? Previous day's high. Previous day's high is very important because price so much time, more than 5 candles, it was overlapping VWAP. Now price is trying to move up above previous day's high. When price is trying to move above previous day high means what? Bulls can be stronger. Here I'll use a word, can be stronger. So I will wait and see what is the price action developing as previous day high above which bulls can come. Let's try to understand, focus on the chart. What's happening? Just notice this. Green bullish candle not closed above previous day's high. The next small candle is also not closing above previous day's high. The next forward candle is an inside candle development. Now, this is where what's happening here? There are multiple informations which we are getting. First information is price trying to cross previous day's high after a sideways price action in VWAP, but not even ready to close above the VWAP. Stable action is missing above the VWAP. We are getting a close but stable action missing. I mean, price is struggling to close above previous day's high. and after multiple attempt, price instantly giving a VWAP crossover on the downside. Here what is happening? Here two things are happening. Number one, bulls struggling to do action, struggling to cross and trade above VWAP, above previous day's high, especially above previous day's high. That means above previous days high, generally bulls can easily dominate in pushing the price up. But here they are reversing back, crossing the VWAP fastly towards downside and moving down. That means this becomes the next chance of direction towards downside momentum. We are getting that clear confirmation on the candle close itself. Now what's next? What are all the area Jampe bulls were fastly pushing as it is inside yesterday's range, right? We have to look in that perspective. Inside yesterday, this is one level, price was sideways to down, and this is the next one. Now this one, this is the next one. Now let's see what is happening. Price easily crossing all the levels, closing below it means I'll be focusing on 1:2. If not, price easily not closing below it, below reference level, that's the end of the direction. Simple. Let's see. Candle closing below it, aram se will wait. Here, check this out. Check this out. Candle not closing below the level. So for me, that is the end of this bearish directional movement. Price further going down, let it go. But here, this is my end on the candle close. Just for your information, I'll show you what happened post that, how the price behaving. Yampe, it's important trading psychology wise. What if price further move down, sir? We'll miss the down move. When you are following a rule of VWAP, just stick to the rule. No point in getting over greedy. What if I miss the further down move, sir? What if I will not capture the full move? No one can capture full move. But we have to be ready to follow the set of rules which is being framed. Now, there is third strategy, third method in finding direction using VWAP, the open location, open action method. During the first few minutes of opening, we can find the direction. If traders, you want that type 3 also, let me know in the comment section of this video. If I'm getting more response in the comment section, I'll do the part 2 of this VWAP direction video with one more type included. There are lot more videos which you can watch related to trading in my channel. You can go forward and watch those videos. I'll try to post 3 videos on different topic other than VWAP in the description. You can also check it out.